Hello guys, today I'm going to show you another very effective strategy, and this is divergence strategy. And today I'm going to show you a divergence with stochastic. So I put my stochastic indicator here, and now I will show you how this stochastic indicator can be used in our divergence strategy. So let's begin. We will divergence strategy. This is our divergence strategy. So just see how this powerful strategy we can use in our day-to-day trading. This is EUR/JPY 1 hour chart, and we all know that in divergence strategy, if we found a divergence, that means price will diverge now. So if we search any direction, then we will find that from here to here here, if we mark this, so as we are seeing this price going from lower to higher direction, and as we mark our bottom, so also we will mark here indicator our bottom. If we mark this here, then we will see this as price is going from lower to higher direction, but indicator is showing us from higher to lower direction. If we mark in our price the bottom, then we will have to mark our bottom also in the indicator. As we mark here our if we mark top in price, then we will also mark our top in indicator. As we mark bottom in price, so we will mark our bottom in indicator also. So here we can see this, that price and indicator both are showing us different thing. Price is going from lower to higher, but indicator is higher to lower. So we can obviously say that here will be a price will be diverse from here, and if we mark this area also, then we will show that this is also a support zone. So if we take our trade here, this is our buy zone. If we buy here, our stop loss here, be, you can check this, we take 30 pips, sorry 20 pips stop loss, so our target will be 40 pips. So here will be our target 40 pips on 40 pips. Yes, this will be our target zone, our target. We can easily say that our target hit. So if we took this trade, then we could make 1:2 ratio profit. Guys, I think if we take such types of divergence setup, then we will make handsome amount of profit in our day-to-day trading style. So for today, I am finishing my strategy. Hope we will meet with our new strategy next day. Bye bye.